I'm currently on my CitySports walking path treadmill, and I've been walking for just a little over a half hour. I have the treadmill set to 3.2 miles per hour, and so far I have clocked in at 1.9 miles as shown on the display. To increase my pace, I can press the plus button on either the remote or directly on the LCD panel. And to reduce the pace, I simply press the minus button. As I continue my brisk walk, both my distance tracker and calories burned are updated. And let's say I need to take a break, maybe to get some water, I can press the pause button and immediately the treadmill starts slowing down, but it does it gradually until the pace hits zero. And when I'm ready to resume my workout, I can simply press the pause button again and it will gradually increase my pace until I reach the target pace that was set previous to going on pause. Then my distance and calories burnt will continue to be tracked from where we left off. And by the way, I've had my CitySports treadmill for over 5 months and have been using it every single day, and I absolutely love it. Sometimes I jog on it for 3.4 miles for an hour or 3.6 miles for an hour. And sometimes I just do a brisk walk like today at 3.2 miles per hour. And finally, when I'm done my workout, I can either press the stop button on the LCD panel or I can use the remote. The treadmill will then gradually slow down the pace until it hits zero.